In shorts? Are you kidding me? Got a fire, surrounded by snow, and I got some ribs. I've been hearing things. People are scared to be in the wilderness. You're gonna hear things and be freaked out. Don't be scared. No tent, no shelter, just sleeping out under the stars. As you can see, it's a winter wonderland. I'm gonna hike into a hot springs, hang out in a nice warm tub. That's right, in a bathtub. Let the camping adventure begin. 45 degrees, maybe close to pushing 50. It is warm. I don't want to wear snow pants. I'd almost rather wear shorts, but I'm gonna be building the shelter, so gotta have something that don't freeze my butt off. Suffering builds character. Alright, we made it to the hot springs. Beautiful. And camp. Let's get some lunch. Alright, it's lunchtime here at the hot springs. It is beautiful out here, guys. You are really missing out. Alright, this is where it all begins. Just scalding hot. Steaming, amazing hot springs. At some point, let me figure out where I'm gonna sleep. It is 2:18. We're gonna do a little test today. I'm not gonna sleep here, but how quickly could I build a shelter that I could sleep in? Let's go. Alright, let's see if we can make the crossing. Ha! Yeah, always the top of there. I like to camp over there, but I don't know if I want to carry all my gear. Alright, I'm back. I'm not gonna make any mistake again. We gotta get a flatbed. I did it. I'm gonna dig a little hole here. Alright, my idea is build a fire right there. We got a little wall here to reflect. It'll be in the hole, so hope is that I won't burn my sleeping bag. That's all I guess I'm a little worried about. I don't want to ruin my sleeping bag or my pad with some embers, so. I soaked my cotton ball in candle wax. I'm leaving my fire. I'm gonna go for maybe an hour in the hot springs. Cross my fingers that my fire doesn't die. Let's go. Let's go warm up in the fire. Let's go warm up in the hot springs. Woo! On my way back, I'm going to get some wood, so I can find some dry wood. All the wood I've got is wet. We're at the hot springs, trying to find the right one. Kinda gotta be right next to this scalding hot water because there's cold water coming in from this side. As you can see, there's snow outside. And I'm in a tub. This is awesome. The question is, how long can I stay in here? Probably not all night, but I might try. I do need to make dinner. In shorts? Are you kidding me? Got a fire, surrounded by snow? Can I eat the whole thing? I don't know. It says it's almost 3 pounds. Cutting this in half, taking the other half home. No way I'm eating 3 pounds of ribs. Oil on this puppy. I brought a lot of oil. I got ribs and a potato. The ribs are on. We gotta give it 2 to 3 hours. It's about 7 o'clock, so starting a little late. So it'll be about 9 o'clock when I eat. Alright, let's go chop some wood. Still in shorts. Gonna go cut some firewood. I probably should put my pants on, but I kind of want to get into the hot tub again. It is 8 o'clock. My food is cooking. Hopefully I don't burn it. It probably will be burnt. It is what it is. But yeah, this tub is awesome. I could sleep in this baby. Might turn into a prune if I slept in it. One thing the hot springs do is they make you hungry. Burn a lot of calories. Alright, we got a potato. I know it's done. You know what I forgot? A plate. That's good. I'm so hungry. I brought 2 potatoes and now I'm thinking I need to cook the other one. This one's good. So good. Wow. Delicious. Oh man. A little burnt. Kind of good. I'd rate that potato 7.5. Potato skins in my mouth. Rib number 1, not edible. That was terrible. Alright guys, this is my last chance. I guess I could cook another rib, but that first rib was destroyed. It was way overcooked. I'm feeling better about this one. Okay, I'm gonna call it half overcooked, half burnt. I need to find my knife. Alright, original rib, pretty dang good. It's not fall off the bone. Definitely gonna eat every bit. It's hot. That's fine. Kind of fall off the bone. No complaints here. Alright, more rib. Getting close to the burnt part. Alright, dinner. Not doing ribs again. The only redeeming thing I have is a Mountain Dew. Some of the rib meat isn't terrible. Some of it tastes like jerky. Burnt jerky. That was bad. That was real bad. Not ready yet. I've been hearing things. Don't be scared. Not ready yet. It's wet. I'm trying to cut this. It's already partially burned. Alright, the fire going. Got my wood drying out. My wood here. Got my Mountain Dew. And I think I'm ready to get my bed ready. You know what I just found out? I left my sleeping pad in my car. So it's 11 o'clock and I am going to have to go get my sleeping pad from my car. About a mile to the car, mile back. I can't believe I did that. Man, I'm an idiot. This is what I had to go get from my car. Look at the fire. Could have tried to just sleep on the ground without a pad. I don't think so. Not a fan of suffering when I don't have to. That was 1.3 miles twice, which means 2.6 miles I just walked. Alright, plenty of wood. Keep this fire raging tonight. No roof, no real shelter. Just laying out my pad. This log is dripping a little bit. Really glad I brought the dew. Made up for the crabby ribs that I burnt. Oh, I can't believe I did that. It's 11:59. Should I go to bed? That's a little better seat. Alright, it's bedtime. Lots of logs. Got my bed ready. Close to the fire. Hopefully no embers. Jump up and burn my bag. 12:30 right now. Every 2 hours. Wood on the fire. Alright, let's go to bed. Alright, it's 3:30 in the morning. My bag definitely has some moisture on it. But it's time to get some wood on the fire. Should I stoke the fire? It's 6 a.m. Fire's starting to die. Starting to get cold. Bag is frozen. Good morning. 7 a.m. I'm a little tired, but the fire is started. It basically died probably 30 minutes ago. I'm trying to get it back alive. It's going. It's not roaring yet, but give us some time. It'll get big. My breakfast is really simple this morning. Morning time. My water didn't freeze, so it wasn't that cold. So there's some ice in there a little bit. There's frost on my bag, but I slept warm. Kept the fire going all night long. Had a little bit of issues about 6 o'clock in the morning. The fire did not want to restart. By that time, it was morning time. It's been warming up a little bit. The fires were really smoky. I'm glad I carried this distance here. I didn't get too much smoke on me. And I don't see any holes in my bag from embers, so that's good. Just waiting for my heated up water that I heated up too much to cool down a little bit so I can have some oatmeal. That's my breakfast. Decided to heat up my oatmeal again. It got a little bit too cold over there on the ice. Don't worry guys, those are all paper. No aluminum or tin, all paper. That was hot. Alright, oatmeal's ready. Oh, after my terrible dinner last night, this tastes so good. Oh, it's warm. Yeah, instant oatmeal hasn't tasted this good in a long time. Still really smoky. Leaving my campsite. Doesn't look like it would be warm, but when you got a fire, you stay toasty warm. Let's go home. Have you ever camped in the snow and then at the same time hung out in a bathtub? If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and ring that notification bell so you can get notified when we drop a new video. We're at the top of Colorado, tallest peak. We're at the peak. Yep.